right, we got some of the Ultimate Birders Blend here by Kaytee. And I'm gonna take this and fill it up. It's a nice big bag. This attracts grosbeaks, cardinals, woodpeckers, junicos, and more. So I'm gonna see what we can get here. So I'm just gonna open this bag and put it into my bird feeder here. All right, there we go. So yeah, this has got some nice bird seed in it, so you can see the sunflower seeds and then all kinds of other stuff. It's a nice big bag, really high quality, great value for the price.